In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to enable two-factor authentication on GitHub. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is an important security feature that adds an extra layer of protection to your account, making it much harder for unauthorized users to gain access. So let's get started and secure your GitHub account. First, you'll need to head over to the GitHub website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture there. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for your account. Now, if you look to the left side of the screen, you'll see a sidebar menu. This menu includes various sections related to your account settings. In this list, under the Access section, you'll find an option labeled Password and Authentication. Click on it. This is where you'll manage your password and, importantly, your two-factor authentication settings. Once you're on the Password and Authentication page, you need to scroll down until you reach the section titled Two-Factor Authentication. You'll see a green button that says Enable Two-Factor Authentication. Go ahead and click this button. This is your gateway to setting up 2FA, and it's essential for boosting your account security. After clicking the button, you'll be presented with two primary options for setting up your primary 2FA channel. These options typically include using a mobile app like Google Authenticator or Authy, or receiving codes via SMS. Both methods have their own advantages. Using an app can be more secure, as it doesn't rely on your phone number, which can be susceptible to certain types of attacks. On the other hand, SMS might be more convenient for those who prefer simplicity and have less experience with authentication apps. If you choose the app method, you'll need to download an authentication app if you haven't already. Open the app and scan the QR code that GitHub provides. This will link your GitHub account with the app. The app will generate a 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds. Enter this code into GitHub to verify the setup. If you opt for the SMS method, you'll need to enter your phone number. GitHub will send a text message to your phone with a verification code. Simply enter this code into GitHub to confirm the setup. Once you've chosen your method and verified it, congratulations are in order. You've successfully enabled two-factor authentication on your GitHub account. This extra layer of security will significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access and help keep your valuable work safe. To wrap up, always remember to keep your recovery codes safe in case you lose access to your 2FA device. You can download these codes from the same two-factor authentication section. Store them in a secure place, like a password manager, to ensure you can recover your account if necessary. That's it for this guide. I hope you found it helpful and that you now feel more secure with your GitHub account. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.